All right, today is Wednesday. We're starting with our rhyme production. I'll say it, you say it, and then try to come up with some words on your own that rhyme with those words. Okay, flock, knock. Okay, I hope you came up with one or two. Flock, knock, sock, talk, lock, mock, pock. Lots of ones. Okay, next, net, set. All right, some words that rhyme with net and set are bet, fret, get, met. Okay, let's do our next one. Map, cap. It's a little bit of a hard one. I thought of lap, sap, tap, wrap. So there's a couple. Okay, last one. Round, found. Okay, some words that rhyme with round and found could be sound, bound. That's all I could think of. That was a hard one. Okay, next we're doing onset fluency. I'll say the words, you repeat the words, give me a thumbs up if they begin with the same sound, thumbs down if they don't. Nest, nurse. They both begin with He'll, have. They both begin with H. Fire, comb. Nope. Us, up. They both begin with a. Barn, horse. Nope. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. I will do it first like this, and then you copy me. Okay. B-E-D, bed. J-E-T, jet. M-E-N, men. B-E-G, beg. O-E-G, leg. Okay, great job. We're isolating our final sounds. I'll do it first, then you copy me. Page. Mix. Soap. Straight. Bulb. Okay, good job. Okay, we're segmenting. Get those choppers out. I'll do it first, then you do it. Dot, dot. Fox, ox. Hop, hop. Not, not. Mom, Okay, great job. Now we're going to add a phoneme to the beginning. We're starting with at. Add k to the beginning to make at, cat. We have an. Add to the beginning to make man. We have ag. Add t to the beginning to make tag. We have app. Add n to the beginning to make. Nap. We have an. Add v to the beginning to make. Van. Good. Now I'm going to delete the initial phoneme. We have the word dot without d. What's left? Ought. We have the word fox without f. What's left? Ox. We have the word hop without h. What's left? Op. We have the word not without n. What's left? Ought. We have the word mom without m. What's left? All right, almost done. We're going to substitute phonemes next. We're starting with the word thin. Change f to w, and what's the word? W-in, win. We have the word win. Change w to p, and what's the word? Pin. We have the word pin. Change p to t, and what's the word? Tin. We have the word tin. Change t to b, and what's the word? Bin. We have the word bin. Change b to f, and what's the word? Thin. Good job. Okay, let's try hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny. Hot cross buns. If your daughters don't like them, give them to your sons. All right, almost got it done. I didn't even know that last part. I learned something new. I'll see you tomorrow.